Hey guys, so I came back here with my new sessions, and in this session I'm giving you one assignment of case 1. As you know, all power series is very important chapter for GTV examinations because minimum 10 marks from power series will be there. One is singular point and the another one will be ordinary points of examples. Okay, but there is possibility to come both examples as an ordinary form as well as both examples as a singular points. Okay, so this both methods is very important. So I'm giving you more examples for the practice. So see here, I'm giving you here it is given two examples. You all can see that. I hope you all know how to solve it now. Okay, because already we did first and second case. So hope you did enough practice for this both the case. Okay, this assignment you all have to submit tomorrow in Google Classroom. Like you all have submitted your mid semester examination paper. Okay, again repeating these both the methods yani ki ordinary points and singular points. These both the methods are very important for the G2 examinations because maybe there is possibilities to come only singular points in G2 exams. Okay, so do enough practice for this. And here I have given both the answers, that roots and part 1 and part 2 answers. So just note it down, do with yourself and answer me. In our next session, we'll continue with the next case as we completed two cases, right? First and the second case, and already we did second case assignments. Okay, so in our next session, we will continue with the next case, and that is case 3, and that will be our last case. Okay, so please get ready with the next session. Thank you.